Hi students, now in this video we are going to learn all tenses definitions. Okay? Tenses definitions. First one, simple present tense. So in simple present tense, what kind of ideas we will express? Let us know once again. This tense is used to express actions which are repeated. Repeated means the actions which will repeat again and again by someone. So all that kind of repeated actions. So repeated actions means maybe regular actions. So basically we go to school. So this action will happen by someone daily. So it is repeated action. It is repeated action. Habitual actions. What is that? Habitual actions. Habitual actions means habits. So basically whenever we get up early morning, definitely we usually have some milk. So that is habitual actions. So reading newspaper, that is also a habit. And watching television or playing some video games or chatting with friends. So these all kind habitual actions. And timeless. Timeless means universal facts. So all these kind of expressions we will express in simple present tense. Now present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Definition is, this tense indicates an action which going on at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. Already I said you in present continuous tense video, when we are talking about an action, the action is going on. So here the definition is same. This tense indicates an action which going on at the time of speaking. So at the time of speaking means, so now what I am doing, I am explaining grammar. I am explaining grammar to you. So it is also present continuous tense because I used am helping verb in the sentence. I am explaining. So I am explaining English grammar. I am talking to you. You are watching my video and they are listening music and some students are dancing in that room. So all this kind of, when we are talking about an action, the action is going on. All that kind of actions we will express in present continuous tense. Okay? Now, present perfect tense. This tense definition is, this tense indicates an action which has been completed just now. So already we discussed about this tense. In this tense we will express only the action which has been completed recently. So all recent completed actions we will express every idea in this tense. And we need to take this tense to express our idea in this tense. Okay dear students? And give me an example. Let me give you an example. So I have finished my dinner just now. So it is recent completed action. So next, she has bought a toy just now in that shop. So it is also recent completed action. My students have watched this video few minutes ago. So this is also recent completed actions. And my students asked me, my students have asked me their doubt just half an hour back. So it is also recent completed action. So all these kind of recent completed actions we will express in this tense. So this tense we need to express the action which has been completed recently or just now. Okay? Now present perfect continuous tense. This tense definition is, this tense indicates an action which started in the past time and it is still continuing. It is still continuing. Already I said in the video what kind of ideas we will express in present perfect continuous tense. Basically the action started in the past but it is still continuing. Already I said you with the best example. I have been working as an English teacher since 2010. Basically, working as an English teacher I started in the year of 2010, but now 2020. But my profession is going on. So students, the action which started in the past and which is continuing still. So all the kind of actions we will express in this present perfect continuous tense. So that is about present perfect continuous tense. Okay? Okay students, now simple past tense. This tense definition is, This tense indicates an action which was completed in the past. So all completed actions we will express in this simple past tense. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. Basically, this action completed in the yesterday. So next, I took my breakfast in this morning. So basically, I had my breakfast. So that's why what I am expressing. I took my breakfast in this morning. So this action also completed. So all this kind of completed actions. I wrote my summative assessment 1 exams in the last month. So it is also completed actions. So all these kind of completed actions we will express in simple past tense. Okay. Next, past continuous tense. This tense indicates an action which was continuing in the past. So basically, already I said you. In past continuous tense, we will express the action which was continuing in the past. So continuing in the past. For example, I was writing a story by this time yesterday. So basically, by this time, the word indicates the action when it is happening. By this time means exactly this time yesterday. What I was doing, I was writing a story. I was writing a story by this time yesterday, and also they were playing cricket by this time day before yesterday, and my students were asking me their doubts by this time yesterday in the class. So all these kind of expressions. So the action which was continuing in the past, we will express that action in past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Next, past perfect tense. This tense indicates an action which had been completed before another action was completed. So in past perfect tense, what kind of ideas we will express in that tense? The action which was happened faster than another. So the action which completed faster than another, the first action we will express in the past perfect tense, another completed action we will express in the simple past tense. So the combo means combination. The combination of these two tenses we will make past perfect tense sentences. Okay, dear students? Okay, students? Now past perfect continuous tense. So in this tense definition is, this tense indicates an action which started, continued and completed in the past. Okay. So basically in past perfect tense we will express the action which started and continued sometime and also completed in the past. So all that kind of, basically the action started in the past and continued in the past and also completed in the past. So that is past perfect continuous. Next, simple future tense. This tense indicates an action which will happen in the future. So all future actions we will express in this tense. For example, I shall learn music tomorrow. Next, she will learn dance tomorrow. So these actions are going to be happening in the future. So all these kind of actions we will express in simple future tense. Next, future continuous tense. This tense indicates an action which will be continuing in the future. So the action which will start and continuing in the future. For suppose I will be teaching you a class tomorrow. So basically I will be teaching a class tomorrow. So it is indicating future continuing action. So all these kind of actions we will express in future continuous tense. Okay, dear students, and two more tenses left to know. Okay, students. Now future perfect tense. This tense definition is, this tense indicates an action which will have been completed before another action will be completed in the future. So it is the definition of future perfect tense. Basically, in this tense we will express the action which will be completed in the future. For suppose, I will have taught you a new lesson tomorrow. So basically this sentence is explaining about myself, the action which will be completed by me in the future. Okay. Next, future perfect continuous, and it is the last one. This tense indicates an action which will start, continue and end in the future. So basically in this tense we will express the action which will start and continue sometime and ends in the future. Okay. So for suppose I shall have been working as a teacher. So it is indicates future perfect continuous tense. Okay, dear students. Totally, these are 12 definitions of 12 tenses what we have in English. And today I am so happy because we completed tenses finally. I am so happy. And now I would like to request every students who are watching this video, please note down everything and learn every definition very carefully. Then definitely you can get an idea how you are talking, how you are making a sentence, how you are constructing a sentence. Are you constructing right sentences to communicate with others or not? So you can learn everything about through the help of these tenses, and these tenses definitions will help you a lot to make right sentences and the right structure of sentences, and make you to communicate with the right manner with anybody. So I hope definitely it happens in every one when you learn about every tenses with good idea. So definitely I hope every student make that happen in your life. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and thanks for learning everything what I am teaching you, and I am so happy with your performance. And what I would like to request one more thing, this teaching and these videos are not for few students, it's for all students. So everyone watch every video and learn something and make good yourself. That my wish and my teacher's wish. So I hope everyone can definitely follow my words, and thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you very much. We'll meet again in our next class. Until then, everyone keep smiling and keep learning. Thank you. Bye and have a nice day.